Hey everyone, it's Miss Phantom Fangs. I'm just doing a requested video on my gecko rack system. This isn't all the geckos I have, this is all the geckos that are in the rack system that I've got. So it's routed out at the back and there's heat cord in there, and that is connected to a thermostat and is controlled. Okay, so this tub I've got Amyaes. So that's the male on top there and female in here. I've actually got crickets, so I'll feed them as we go. That's that there. Next door is the pilps. These are only young. Got the two in there. Carrot. They're actively hunting. Next door here we have more Amyaes, another pair. This is the female and the male. Handful of crickets. And girls smashing them. These guys I feed, well the adults I feed about every 5 to 7 days. They've actually only been fed 2 days ago, but because I'm doing the video I may as well top them up. We've got here, here we are, the smooth knobtails. This girl's actually gravid, so put a few extra in for her. She's a cranky one. Moving over. Oh, this is breeding pair of Aspers. There you go, guys. These crickets are all non-dusted. I generally do calcium and vitamin dusted crickets one time, and then the next time they're undusted. Thicktails. I got a breeding trio in here. That's the two females. Actually, that's female and male. The male's on the right, and this is another female. Extra for these guys. Moving down. This is another smooth knob. She's gravid also. She just had a clutch. Didn't think she was going to go again, but she is. Next door, a pair of Wheeleri. 1, 2, and a camera lens cap. Action shot. Next door, another pair of Wheeleri. Still got the crickets from last time, but top it up. Final shelf. Alright, we've got a cranky male Asper. He's always cranky. Here you go, mate. Yeah, I know. You hate me. But I love you. Oh, such a cranky. What's your cranky head? Don't be so cranky. You're beautiful. In the middle is not geckos, sand swimmers. These guys are always hungry. So let's chuck some food in there for them. This one's a bit tight. Don't worry about them getting out. And last one is another breeding pair of Amyae. Just a female in there. Close to having a shed. So this is the gecko stand. If anyone's got any questions or comments, please feel free to add below. This is generally it. So to those that requested it, hope it answered any questions. And thanks for watching.